Hey everybody, Harold here. Today I want to introduce you to a new data type in Polars data frames, and that's enum. Enum is a fixed ordered set of string categories known at creation time. Uh, think of it like a Rust or C enum. You have to know how many they are at creation time so it can allocate the right amount of memory on the stack. They're stored efficiently as U32 indices internally. A little housekeeping. I'm again in Colab. I'll put the link to the GitHub repository in the description. And I've imported polars as PL and from rich import print. I like the way that print. Uh, to make an enum, you first must define it and then declare it as a data type on a PL.series. So I want to make an enum of these four programming languages: Python, Rust, JavaScript, and Go. So I need to create the type. So I would say languages underscore enum or languages underscore type are two common ways to annotate that. Equals pl dot enum, in parentheses, a list, Python, Rust, JavaScript, Go. That creates the type. I'll run that cell. Now we've created our enum. Let's print out a series with some of the values in that enum. So to do that, say languages equals pl.series. Then we give the series in the list. And then the second argument is dtype equals, and that dtype is our language's enum. And then we can just print this languages series. Now we have a shape of 6, comma, that's a one element tuple. A series type enum, Python, Rust, Go, Rust, JavaScript, Python. All those values are okay. Problems arise when, and I'll show you how to handle the errors. Python raises an exception if pl.color series includes a value not declared in the enum. So I changed languages pl.series to Python, Rust. Instead of Go, I put stop, Rust, JavaScript, Python, comma, dtype equals languages underscore enum, and print languages. Well, Polars does not like that. Conversion from string to enum. Failed in column blank for 1 out of 6 values. Stop. Ensure that all values in the input column are present in the categories of the enum data type. If you want to handle that error, you could say you have to import from Polars exceptions invalid operation error. And I would say try to create this languages PL series and print it, except when there's an invalid operation error, and then print that error as E. So let's try this again. And then avoided that ugly mess. Told us what happened without all that red. Valid operation error, conversion from string to enum for stop. Ensure the values are present in the categories of the enum data type. Comparison and ordering. Do another enum. Level enum equals low, medium, or high. This is another way you could create it. We'll put it in the data frame and override it with the schema. So events equals pl.dataframe. The first pl.call is name, events 1, 2, 3, and 4. Um, the level of those events are high, low, medium, and high. And then a second argument in our data frame is schema overrides equals level, and we turn that into a pl.enum equals level enum. So we'll create that enum. And let me just print that out real quick. So event 1, high, event 2, low, event 3, medium, event 4, high, name is a string, level is an enum. Enum columns are sorted in the order they were defined. So if I put a sort on level, result equals events dot sort level, print results. Uh, you see up here, low, medium, high was the order I defined them. Event 2 comes first because it was low. So it switched the events up and sorted them by the order I defined the enum, low, medium, and high. And you can also use comparison operators to filter, etc., etc. High events equals events dot filter. Field I call level is greater than median. So it's really using it like a number there. It's assigned maybe the number 2 to medium. So we'll print high events, and anything that was greater than medium is printed out as a high event as an enum value, enum data type. Uh, I could say equal equal. Could say not equal. Greater than or equal. You get the idea. So that's the enum data type in Polar's data frames. So that's the enum data type in Polar's data frames. Just remember it's fixed. You must know all the values at compile time, as Ali would say in Rust. Because Polars is based on Rust, it wants to know exactly how much memory it's going to take on the stack. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.